Good morning, everyone. Just want to talk about the article Yahoo Finance just released, and it's talking about events this week. So a pretty big one. We have the Fed decision on Wednesday, Apple earnings coming up on May 4th, and the April jobs report. So definitely a lot of volatility. That is, potential for the events this week. So definitely make sure you understand that. Make sure you understand what stocks are reporting before you, enter any significant amount of positions. Just looking through here. So yeah, Wednesday afternoon, the Fed is set to announce its latest policy decision, which investors expect will see the central bank raise interest rates by another 0.25% as it continues to fight stubborn inflation well above its 2% goal. And then Thursday, after the bell, Apple will release its latest quarterly earnings. And then before market open on Friday, the U.S. government will release the April jobs report. So some big items there. Also, like I mentioned yesterday in my live, AMD is reporting this week. Starbucks, Ford, Pfizer, and Uber will also all be reporting earnings. So definitely keep an eye out for those tickers. Yeah, Yahoo Finance is going live, it looks like. But yeah, I think April closed out the month pretty well. I think SPY was up 2% almost on like last Friday. So it finished the month really well. Overall, I think April was a positive month for the market. There's definitely a lot of volatility, roller coaster, but I do believe, don't quote me on that, but I do think it did push up a little bit higher in the month of April. Year to date, the Nasdaq is up nearly 17%, while the S&P is up closer to 8.5%, and the Dow Jones is gained just less than 3%. So just a little bit of update on some of those items. Once again, keep an eye out for these events because there's going to be increased volatility just in the market in general, and then additionally for the individual stocks that post earnings. So 2 o'clock Wednesday looks like that's when the Fed decision will happen. And then Apple is after hours on Thursday, and then once again Friday morning will be the U.S. government will release April job reports, and then all in between there's individual stocks reporting too. So keep an eye out for that. But yeah, that's a quick little update. Wanted to shoot a quick little video this morning talking about some different events that were coming up. So stay tuned and remain safe out there. Just make sure you're smart with entering the different types of positions that you might be taking on. Also, another interesting thing happened. J.P. Morgan took over. I think it was like First Republic Bank. So that was a pretty big acquisition for them. They recently kind of went under like Silicon Valley Bank. But yeah, so just a little bit of news update here for some different items. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching.